This is a review of the LEONLITE 28 watt LED security light that features 5K output during the daylight. And there's a few things I want to mention about it. Is that the first thing is that this LED light is 28 watts. It's LED, super bright. It lights up your backyard if you're doing like parties, and pretty much is extremely bright. And right here you can see this is a motion sensor, and it's very it's adjustable. You can move it around however however your liking is, and it automatically turns off during the day, and during the night it pretty much it turns on. So it does detect the motion, pretty much the daylight. So depending on the dusk, pretty much the lighting, how much it is outside, if it's cloudy or if it's dark, it automatically lights up and it alerts, and pretty much it turns on the way, like pretty much when it's night it will turn on. And right here you can see, like I mentioned, it's adjustable. It's a motion. It comes with a motion sensor. It's pretty much very easy to install. These pretty much move around as well too, so you could adjust it to pretty much like this. Pretty much anywhere you're going, like wherever you have this mounted, you could adjust both of these. As a matter of fact, all three of these to however you want. And it comes in different sets of colors. I chose brown because it looks really nice, and I would definitely recommend this LEONLITE 28 watts LED lights because of how it is very easy to install. That's number one thing, and number two is that it's extremely bright as well too. The 5K output is very extremely bright, and it's very easy to install. The motion sensor, it moves around everywhere to however you want it, where depending on how you want it, it moves to there. It turns automatically on, like I mentioned, motion sensor during the dusk, and at night it will turn on. During the day it won't turn on, so that's one of the good things I like about it. And also it won't disturb your neighbors as well too, like it mentions. And I would definitely recommend this LED lights if you are looking for a bright output LEDs. Then this is probably one of the best LED lights that you could get for your home.